Hello beautiful, it is Tash. Today I'm doing a wardrobe declutter. If you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe. If you want to see everything that I'm keeping and getting rid of, then just keep watching. I have got a lot of clothing. We are in a little bit of a different room. I'm just in our downstairs spare room. I've brought all my clothing in here. There may be a few things here and there missing, like in the wash or anything like that, but otherwise pretty much everything is here. I won't be including like my event clothing because a lot of that I want to keep, but otherwise everything is on a pile on the bed, which I'm about to show you. I'm gonna have 3 piles: keep, give to friends, donate, and then sell. Anyway, let's get on with it. Just in my pajamas and a cozy jumper. Let's get this on a roll. So I love this dress, it really flatters my figure, so I'm going to keep this one for the moment. My head's cut off.
The pile is vacating the premises.
Really cute little tracksuit. Oh my god, I love this blazer. It's so beautiful. It's like a blue-grey pinstripe, snow stripe with tortoise green buttons. There's something on the sleeve. Oh my god, why did I know that was there? Another blazer. Gotta go. Still has the tag. I love this jumper. This jacket is from Boohoo. It's their boutique, or I think range. I'm not really sure. I got it so long ago and I love it. It's so beautiful. thing in the bag. I think that's everything. I've done it, people. I've done it. So I will hang this stuff back up and then I'll be back with you. Alright, and this is the finished product. So I've got all my lighter colours at, oh, this is not wanting to focus, okay. So I've got all my lighter colours at the front here, and then you see I've colour coordinated it. Zoom this out. Okay, that's a bit better. And then so I've got my whites, creams, light blue, light denim, navy, and then I've got going into more of our darker colours, into black, and then I've got all my prints and kind of bright colours at the back there. But I think this turned out really well. My coats and stuff are just in my normal wardrobe. This is just in one of those like rails. Down the bottom in these bins, I've just got my pajamas and my workout gear. And that is that, and they're just on a little shelf underneath. But I think it all works really well. I'm happy with how my closet looks. I ended up just getting rid of a bag of stuff, which I'm just going to donate to charity. I hope you beauties enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I'll see you beauties in my next video. Bye!